What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. Today we are going to be making a fantastic fall cocktail called a Bourbon Renewal. And we'll get into the history a little bit later, but let's first get into making the cocktail. Shall we, Marius?
Yes.
Yes, we shall. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is 1 ounce of lemon juice. Then we're going to do ½ ounce of simple syrup. We're going to do ½ ounce of creme de cassis, which is a black currant liqueur. It has this dainty little top. I really love that. Look at that. It kind of pours out like in a little dainty kind of way. I like that.
I thought the topper just broke.
At first I did too, because I was like, honestly, like I was thinking the whole cork was gonna come out, and then I went boop, and I was like, that was too, when I felt it, I was like, that's too.
I saw your face and I was like, oh no, the cork
broke, right? And I was like, it's too light. And then like, I was like, wait a minute, and I looked down at it and I was like, no, it's just got this dainty little boop. Anyway, there you go, ½ ounce of creme de cassis.
It's a little speed pour style thing.
I kind of like it though, it's kind of cool. It makes it so that you don't like over pour in your jigger, which is kind of nice. And then we're just gonna do 2 ounces of bourbon. All right, we have Alexander Cashman, Marjorie Foyle, and Bridget Peoples to thank for this wonderful bottle of Buffalo Trace. Thank you guys so much for helping out our channel. If you wanna know how they did it, go to theeducatedbarfly.com. We're gonna add our ice to our tin. Can we now get into the rest of the cocktail? And then add our cocktail to our ice. We're gonna use a big rock of ice. I think that usually this is done on cubes, but I like doing it on a big rock. So we're doing it on a big rock. And we're gonna give it a nice hard shake. All right. Ooh, that was a nice lock right there. Got a nice lock in this one. Strain our cocktail. Yeah. Then we're just gonna give it a nice, I'm gonna give it a, you know what I'm gonna do actually, Marius? I'm gonna break out the old mandolin. I'm gonna give it a nice, very thin lemon wheel. Just gonna lay it on top like that. All right, let's give it a sip. Let's give it the old sipper, shall we? Oh, yes. It's like refreshing fall in a glass. Basically a bourbon sour, but you add that creme de cassis and it gives it this nice savory sweetness that has got kind of like a savory sweet berry flavor. It's really nice. It's not unlike Dick Bradsell's Bramble. Although I gotta say that the creme de cassis is a little more savory and a little less sharp than blackberry liqueur. Very fantastic. Really, really love it. Creme de cassis and the bourbon play so well together. So this cocktail was created by Jeffery Morganthaler, which is one of my favorite bartenders up in Portland, Oregon. He is the genius behind the bar program at Pepe La Moco and also Clyde Common. I'm not sure what's going on with those bars during COVID. I'm not sure if they've closed down or if they open or what's going on, but hopefully they reopen. I really don't know. I don't even know if they're doing outside service or anything. So if anyone knows, see me in the comments below. I'm sure there's a bunch of you in Portland, Oregon. Jeffery Morganthaler is also the author of a book called The Bar Book, which is the one book that I always tell people to go to for like a really good primer for someone who's just beginning their bar journey. He's got a lot of really interesting information in there. I really like the book. I highly recommend it. I linked it below. So there it is, my friends, the Bourbon Renewal. If you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe and check us out on Patreon and YouTube memberships. We got good exclusive content there. You can check out our merch on Teespring. And then also, what else? If you wanna do our virtual bottle program, which we referenced earlier, go to theeducatedbarfly.com and you can do that there. And I will see you guys at another time.